Let me give my attorney here, Lynn Luker, a call here again. His number is 1208-343-0022. And that's his phone number. If you want to email him, you can get a hold of him at lmluker at lmluker at mindspring.com. Oh, that's, yeah. lmluker at mindspring.com.
Automatic voice message system 208-353-0022 is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Well, he's not putting his name out there. But then, Luker, this is James Clark. I'm calling in regards to my complaint that I hired you for. On that went before the Idaho State Industrial Commission of 2008-013505. That's before the Industrial Commission, and that also went before the Idaho Supreme Court for oral argument after you quit on me. Now, my complaint is separate, Mr. Lynn Luker, than my claim, because I hired you against in regards to the complaint, which is separate than my claim again, Mr. Luker, for the fraud that was committed by Ms. Jewel Owens, senior legal claims examiner for the Idaho State Insurance Fund, in regards to the August 1st, August 7th, and August 11th of 2008 fraud that was committed against me 2 years prior to hiring you. And then all of my filings prior to hiring you was to be followed through. Mr. Lynn Luker, common sense? What about your letter of August 2nd? What about your letter of September 1st of 2010 in regards to my Social Security that you said that you didn't file nothing on? Mr. Luker, Lynn M. Luker, an Idaho State legislator who sat on the chair as the Vice Judicial Committee, which is the Industrial Commission. Didn't you just have recently a hearing in regards, or behind the closed door hearing, in regards to how complaints are handled when they're filed with the Industrial Commission? Geez, Lynn Luker, does that have a lot to do with the way that you fucked me on my claim also, Mr. Lynn Luker? Nobody wants to help me, but you're going to say you're going to run for re-election? Well, how about if I come and ask you some common sense, Mr. Luker? Common sense in regards to how you handled my claim. And then you quit on me, not once, but twice? What about that December 29th of 2010 letter I have? I'm going to be coming over there, Mr. Lynn Luker. I want you to explain to these, since you don't want to bring it to an issue, and then I have a little consideration. I have some opinions on what's going on over there in the Supreme Court too, with Steve Kenyon, the clerk of the court. Is there corruption in Idaho? I live in Washington, but I'm an injured worker out of Idaho that tried to move forward over here, so they tried to take advantage of that. But I've been there. I've been back. I'm fighting. I had to go before the Supreme Court, oral argument, June 5th, 2013, because you, Mr. Lynn Luker, is a quitter. On my Social Security also? Oh, you don't owe me nothing on that. But then you filed lies, so you didn't have to, so you could quit? Mr. Lynn Luker, you didn't call one single person on my behalf. Not one. Common sense. I almost lost my life, Mr. Luker. I'm coming to ask you questions during your re-election of common sense, Mr. Luker, and then try to throw me in jail. Have a good day, Mr. Luker, because it's been 6 years of living hell. And then the last year, how dare you, Mr. Luker? Lynn M. Luker, Idaho's legislator. Why did you have that private session where everything that it was passed? That's what is, it was passed. Mr. Luker, I'm coming. Not to harm anybody. Everyone knows that. I have the right to have questions answered. Nobody wants to listen to me. But it's okay. Look at the ceiling above, man. I'd love to fix that. But because of your corruption, it's probably where that attorney lien that was granted to you Which I did file something with the Industrial Commission just recently, didn't I, Mr. LUKER? About that attorney lien. Yeah, and then I get a copy that this new girl that works at the Industrial Commission, I apologize, but she wasn't aware that I wasn't supposed to receive that copy. That's why nobody. Ooh, whoa, wait a minute. Again, because I wasn't supposed to make it this far. I wasn't supposed to uncover your little stinking job that you did, and the little things that you filed. February of 2010. Mr. Lynn LUKER, how dare you? How dare you, man?